Hello friends, we are from Dermatics Clinic, Dermatics encoding the body metrics. Hair GFC treatment we would be showing you. So today we have a live patient. Over him we are going to show you our procedure. The scalp is being cleaned first. Numbness cream is dispensed in a bowl in accurate quantity. In a bowl, the numbness cream has been collected. It is being applied over patient's scalp for the numbness effect. Low laser light therapy is given to the patient for half an hour. A red light has been given. It helps to stimulate the hair follicle. Now, the blood is drawn. It is collected with the help of a scalp vein from patient's right arm. Blood is drawn from scalp vein to our syringes. 10 ml of blood is being collected. Two syringes of blood is being collected as we need 10 ml of blood to dispense in 4 test tubes. The blood is drawn in one of the test tube. Similarly weigh in equal quantity we will take the blood in 4 test tube. We will collect the blood in equal quantity in all the 4 test tubes. Now it has been inverted 5 to 6 times. Now the test tubes are kept in a stable position in an upright position. We are maintaining the sterilization protocol, so the surgical gloves are being worn to touch the test tubes for further procedure. After half an hour, the test tubes are checked. All the 4 test tubes are being checked. Now they are kept in a centrifugal machine for 10 minutes at 2500 rpm. This centrifugation will help us to separate the plasma from the platelets. It will help in the activation of platelets. Sterilization protocol is being maintained throughout the procedure. After activation of platelet, this yellow color is the plasma. This plasma will be used from all the 4 test tubes to be taken in a syringe and being injected to patient's scalp. This plasma has presence of growth factors, which helps the follicle to stimulate for a good hair growth. Now the patient's scalp is being cleaned again. The plasma has been taken in the 2 ml syringe and the 3 BD syringe. Derma roller is being rolled over patient's scalp to create an excess where the plasma will be taken inside. At least 5 to 10 minutes in all the areas where the hair thinning is seen, there the derma roller is being rolled. This is a complete aseptic precaution. A new derma roller is used. This derma roller has a pins of 1.5 mm. This roller is being taken 1.5 mm depth into the scalp. The patient is comfortable as the numbness cream was applied prior. Now the 2 ml syringe is being taken which has the plasma that is sprinkled over the scalp and slight movements are done. Derma roller is again being rolled. Now the plasma from the BD syringe is being injected into patient's scalp in the area again where the thinning of the hair is seen. The BD syringe is kept at a 45-degree angle and is being slowly inserted into the scalp. So this plasma contains growth factors which will stimulate the follicles and then the thinning will be stopped. Same way, second and third syringe would be used to inject the plasma into the scalp. Patient is comfortable throughout the procedure. Sometimes tapping of the finger is done on the center of the forehead to help the patient in distracting from the pain. Overall area is being covered to inject this plasma into scalp. After this, TST procedure is done where a massaging is done to help the lymphatic drainage. This trichoscal therapy is done for 30 minutes to the patient, so the patient is very comfortable. We can see the before and after image of the patient. This is seen within 1 month. So I am thankful to you for watching our video.